Okay, Daniel, be honest with me. Have you ever been late and just stared at your phone for 5 minutes because you didn't know what to say?
5 minutes, Sarah? I've stared at my phone for 20 minutes. My brain just freezes. I'm thinking, okay, I'm late, but how late is too late to still sound polite?
Exactly. And the longer you wait, the worse it feels.
Right. At first, you're like, I'll text in a second. Then it's like, okay, now it's awkward. Then suddenly you're very late and emotionally exhausted.
And you start writing a message, deleting it, rewriting it.
And somehow turning a simple message into a full emotional essay.
If you're listening right now and thinking, yes, that's me, don't worry. Today's episode is for you.
Because today we're talking about something everyone experiences.
Being late. Welcome back to the English Duo podcast, your warm, friendly place to practice real, everyday English conversation.
In today's episode, we're going to help you learn what to say when you're running late in English in a natural, polite, and confident way.
This is such an important topic because being late isn't just about time, it's about emotions.
Stress, guilt, anxiety, panic.
And for English learners, there's extra pressure because you're thinking about grammar, vocabulary, tone, and politeness all at the same time.
So today, we're making this easy. We'll share real-life stories,
Common mistakes,
simple phrases you can use right away.
and how to sound polite without sounding dramatic or awkward. Okay, let me tell you a story. This happened last year.
Uh-oh.
I was meeting a friend for coffee. Nothing serious, just coffee. Very casual.
Those are the dangerous ones.
Exactly. I thought, oh, I have plenty of time. Then traffic happened. Then my phone battery was low. Then I couldn't find parking.
Classic.
Suddenly, I was 10 minutes late. And instead of texting immediately, I started overthinking.
What were you thinking?
I was thinking, should I say I'm late? Should I explain why? Should I apologize once or twice? Is sorry enough?
And meanwhile, you're still getting later.
Exactly. So finally, I sent this very simple message. I'm so sorry. I'm running a little late. I'll be there in about 10 minutes.
Perfect.
And guess what my friend replied?
What?
No worries. See you soon.
And that's such an important lesson. Here's the golden rule when you're running late in English.
Be honest. Be short. Be polite.
You do not need a long excuse,
You do not need perfect grammar.
and you definitely don't need to panic.
Phrase 1. I'm running late. This is the most common and natural phrase.
I'm running late means you're late right now or about to be late.
Examples. I'm running late. Sorry about that.
I'm running a bit late, but I'm on my way.
I'm running late because of traffic.
Phrase 2. I'll be there in... This phrase is extremely helpful.
It shows respect for the other person's time.
I'll be there in 10 minutes.
I'll be there in about half an hour.
I'll be there as soon as I can.
Phrase 3. Sorry for the delay. This sounds polite and professional.
Great for work situations.
Examples. Sorry for the delay. I'm on my way now.
Sorry for the delay. Thank you for waiting. Okay, my turn. This one still hurts.
Oh no.
I was late for a meeting. A very important meeting.
Uh-oh.
I wanted to sound professional, so I typed this long message explaining everything. Traffic, weather, the universe.
The universe?
Yes. But then I panicked and sent only one word.
What word?
Late.
Just late?
That's it. No apology, no context, just late.
Oh my goodness.
They replied, okay?
So, listeners, please don't do that. Let's talk about what not to say.
I'm late because you didn't remind me. I might be late, I don't know. No message at all.
Silence is worse than being late,
Being late makes people feel embarrassed.
especially English learners.
You're not just late, you're worried about sounding rude.
But remember this.
People care more about communication than perfection.
Different situations. Work.
I'm running a bit late due to traffic. I'll be there in 15 minutes. Sorry for the inconvenience.
Friends.
Hey, I'm running late. I'll be there soon.
Call. Sorry, I'm late calling you. Are you free now?
Let's practice together. Say it out loud. I'm running late. I'm so sorry. I'll be there in 10 minutes. Sorry for the delay.
Let's quickly recap what we learned today.
Simple phrases to say you're late. how to sound polite and natural, what to say at work versus with friends, what not to say, how to stay calm and confident.
Remember, being late is human.
Communicating is what matters.
Before we go, let us know in the comments.
What's the latest you've ever been to something? No judgment, we promise.
And if this episode helps you feel more confident,
Please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's always late.
you know who we mean.
We'll see you in the next episode.
Take care of your English.
And your time.
Bye.